got both my shots. I got both my shots. What do you think? What do you think? I got both. What do you think?
I like it.
I got both my shots.
Yay.
Today is an aggravating day. We're planning a trip, and I gave them a deposit, and then they said, if you notice, if you get anything saying that you're getting a deduction on the trip because it's a special, just call us. Remember to give us the number. So I got it on the screen, and I accidentally clicked out, and I went back, and the special is gone, saving us like $600 a head, and there's 4 of us going. So I am so aggravated. I am aggravated. Another thing was aggravating is that the reason why that happened is because I went in and I had 3 people that unsubscribed to my channel. I subscribe to everybody's channel. If you subscribe to me, I subscribe back to you. Why the hell would you unsubscribe? Don't do that. It's not nice. You're just not nice. You people subscribe, unsubscribe. You are not nice. You're not nice at all. Don't do that. I had 391. Now I'm down to 388. What the hell is that? Okay, you sick of listening to me complain?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I just watched a movie the other day. It's called American Underdog. It's the Kurt Warner story. Kurt Warner plays for the NFL. Man, that guy went through some stuff, and it's a really good movie. More of a love story than a football movie, but it's a man's story too about the guy and what he went through to become who he is. So if you get a chance, watch that. Now I got some shout outs to give. And I'm going to say Mama's Mini Kitchen. Mama, I don't know how you do it. She's got these little things like this. Little cups, little sauces, little head of lettuce, little carrots, and she makes something. Little stuff.
Miniature.
Mama's Mini Kitchen. Maybe it's trick photography. I don't know. And it's all about the cocktail. Ray O'Brien. He's all about the cocktail. He makes some good cocktails. He's been out there a long time, and his channel is growing, and I'm glad to see it. And one other one, Cooking Secrets for Men. Get on there and watch him. He does good shrimp dish, Creole dish, and it's good. See, I give people plugs. Every time I come out, I give somebody a shout out. Don't unsubscribe. If you're going to subscribe, don't subscribe. Unless you're going to subscribe and stick to it.
Okay.
I'm done. Today I'm going to make a caipirinha. I'm going to make a caipirinha. And I'm going to use cachaca, and I need ice. So I'm going to ask my lady friend to get me some ice. Lady friend. The lady friend is my wife, Maui Karen Ann. Sometimes I call her Annie. Sometimes I call her Karen. Can you hear the noise? The ice is coming up. The caipirinha comes with 3/4 of an ounce of lime. Just 3/4 of an ounce of lime. There's stuff in there. It's kind of difficult, you know. You gotta watch what you're doing, and sometimes watch what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying half the time. Isn't that the truth, Karen?
Amen to that.
Amen to that, she said. Karen said amen to that. 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. And we're going to also add 2 ounces of cachaca. Cachaca is, it's like rum, except it's made with sugar cane instead of molasses.
I thought you had to muddle this.
Now I'm going to muddle a little lime in here so I get some juice out of the little flavoring out of the lime skin, the lime shell,
peel.
the peel. So you got to muddle that in. And then you're going to shake this puppy up with ice.
Aren't you supposed to put the lime in there when you do that?
No, the lime goes in the cup. You telling me how to make my cocktails again?
Yep.
Don't do that. There you
I'm the
go.
wife. That's what wives do.
Caipirinha. And little garnish. Here's my garnish. I'll take my garnish out. And I gotta taste this thing here. That's quite pleasant. I like that. I'm gonna have a couple more. I'm gonna have a couple more of those things. Anyhow, don't forget to get your shots. Oh, I'm sorry. Get your shots, wear your mask, say hello to your mama, Cocktail Tony, over and out.